Okay, hello lovely people, and welcome to part 2 of Forgive and Forget. Yeah, so we were talking about, I was talking to you about the practical part of this video. Now, in this example, you are in traffic, right? So I'm going to give two parts of it, two parts. The first part, you are outside of the vehicle that I'm about to talk about. So you're inside your own vehicle, and now you're in the road, right? And then there's some guy, on some days there's someone who messes up in the road. There's someone. You're just busy driving, okay, you're parking, and there's a car that's blocking all the other cars. It's just like vroom, 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 vroom. And now people are like beep, 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 beep. What's going on? What's going on? Why are you blocking the road? Hey, 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 beep, beep, hey, get out of there. What? Now, this guy was endangering the lives of many people. As irritating as he may be, we do not understand him. We may say, he's careless, he's reckless, he's what. And there are instances where people are careless, where people are reckless, where people are not thinking. Okay, but let's look at this instance, because this instance happens a lot. All right. So you just see the guy blocking the traffic, causing a whole bunch of ish to go on. Now, let's take a look at the same example, but from a second perspective. So now remember, in this one, we do not understand what is happening inside that person's head. We don't know what's going on. Bear in mind, the philosophy that I'm busy establishing to you guys is to understand is to forgive. Okay, obviously there are certain limits, and then we have to look into definitions as to what we mean by forgive, what you mean by forgive, and what you mean by understand. Okay, so the second example, second part of the second example. Now we are taking a view, looking at the situation from the perspective of the person who is inside of the jamming car. So the guy you're inside this car, right? And your friend is driving. You understand the situation. Your friend, why is he driving like this? Okay, he didn't manage to get enough sleep. Why didn't he manage to get enough sleep? His boss wasn't fair to him. He had to stay up late to provide food for his family. No one else will drive the car to take the kids to school. He's not sleepy, but his thoughts are not as orientated and organized and rounded off as they should be. Well rounded as they should be. And he's got a lot on his plate. And it's dark. And he's trying to see what's going on. He's stressed out. Someone in his family died. Now, he's trying to see what's going on. He makes a mistake. The cars are hooting at him from all angles. He doesn't want to be in anyone's way. But it's just one of those days. Just one of those days. Now you are in the passenger seat. You forgive your friend for causing a traffic jam. Why do you forgive him and the others outside do not? Why do they find it so hard to forgive him and just let it almost slide? in terms of forgiveness as compared to how easily you forgive? Well, that is because you understand. You understand more about him than they do. They do not understand, so they do not forgive easily. They do not understand, so they do not forgive easily. But you understand, so you forgive. To understand is to forgive. You understand and you forgive, but you do not forget. Now, I hope you liked this video. If you did, consider clicking the like button.